Okay, I'll move it for you. There you go. You know it's going to hit, don't you? There you go. Here comes the shopping cart lady. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What do we do now? Oh, come on. Just like her daddy. Oh, frustrated. And things aren't going the right way. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. See you later. Pick up some bread while you're at it, would ya? We could use some potatoes. Make some mashed potatoes. Where'd you want to go? You want to go back the other way? Here's Zozo. It's kind of hard to film you. Come on. Such a good girl. There you go. I love you so. What's in there? We had to weigh it down so she can push it easier. Well, are you going to turn it around for me, Mom? Say please, Zoe. Please. Please, sign it. Please. Mommy, please. Please. Can you do that, please? Okay. Not yet. Hi. Like, Mom, it's going to hit the wall. Turn it. Turn it. Okay. I even know what that means. I know what that means. That means turn it. Okay, here we go, babe. Here we go. Gotta move this backpack out of here. Oh, in the book. My goodness. What you want? Are you hungry?